In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and complete setup of your brother HLL3280CDW digital color laser printer. This printer can print up to 27 pages per minute, and that is black and color. It has a professional quality color printing. You can use it with the wireless connectivity, so I'll show you that how to do that. It has 2.7-inch color touch screen panel which will help you to connect it with the home or office Wi-Fi network quickly, and we'll do the complete setup and the test. So let's do the unboxing. That's the power cable. It's quite big in size and heavy. So once you do the unpacking, we have to start the setup process. First step is to remove all the tape. So this is the packing tape to protect it. So we just have to remove all these. Next step is to open the ink chamber. So just lift it from here, and you can see these are the ink toners, and we just have to activate them. First we have to pull this out. Now we have to remove the ink toner one by one. So just lift it up, and we have to remove the orange seal. So you will see this seal on the both side of the ink toner. Just remove it, and if you look inside, you will see the part of the paper that is left inside. So you just have to remove this. Now we can install all the ink toners again. Now place the ink toner inside again. So you just have to slide it here like this. So it goes like in a curve, and it comes out in the curve as well. So you can see the curve here. Now remove the packing from both sides and then place it in. It's very easy to set up this printer. Now these printers are heavy because they use toners. That is our color, or 3 colors are done. That's the black one just in the starting. Seems to be a little bit difficult to open it, but be careful. So laser printer gets too hot. You can see it has some temperature marking in the end. So never touch it when you are using, and just let it cool down if you have to change anything. So once we remove seals and remove the paper, we can just put it back. So just press it little bit and then close it. Next step is to load the paper. So paper tray is at the bottom. Again it has this paper here, so you can just remove it, and also take out this bag. So this is just to make it dry, to prevent the moisture. Now once you do this, we can load the paper. It can take up to 250 paper, letter size. You can also use A4 or legal size paper in this tray. Now we can close it. Next step is to plug in the power cable. Go to the back of the printer. At the back side, we have to plug in the power cable. So I'll just remove this protective tape. This is for the Ethernet cable, and this is for the printer USB cable. and that doesn't come with the printer, you have to buy it separately. So once we plug in the power cable, press the power button that is here. Your printer will take few seconds to start. Go to the display panel. Here we have to do the further setup. If you want, you can click yes for this. Here is the main screen of the printer. To connect this printer with the Wi-Fi network, we have to do the Wi-Fi setup. For that, click on the settings. Click on the network. If you have a wired LAN, you can just connect it at the back of the printer. If you want to use it with the Wi-Fi, select WLAN Wi-Fi. The easiest way is to use the Find Wi-Fi network. It will show searching SSID. It will display the list of networks available in its range. You can scroll down and select your Wi-Fi network and then press OK. To enter the password of the Wi-Fi, you can use this screen. Press OK to apply. Quickly it will connect the printer. Press OK. So our printer is available on the Wi-Fi network and you will see the signal on the top screen. Next step is to add this printer in a smartphone for wireless printing and scanning. You can also add it in a MacBook or laptop. Right now I'm just going to use my smartphone. On your iPhone or Android phone, you have to download the Brother Mobile Connect app. To add the printer, click on the printer icon on the top. Click on the Add Machine. Select first option, register your machine. Automatically it will display Brother HLL3280CDW series. Select it. You can skip this step. It's about the activation of things. So click on the later. We can see setup is complete. Click on the exit setup. Go back to the app and you will see Brother HLL3280CDW series. Our printer is here. Let's do a test print. Select any document. For example, I have this one here. Printer test page. Click on the print. Let's see the print speed. And let's check the print quality. So that is here. Print quality is good. I'm just going to print something else. For example, photo print. Let's check how it prints with the photos. Print. Because it's going to print a photo, it will take some time to send the message. Now it's sent. Let's check the print quality. So yes, we can see the print quality is great. I think this is the best printer if you just want to print quickly with the laser printer. The Brother printer is also a good option, and if you want to increase the print quality, you can go to the display panel, click on the settings, and then click on the all settings, select printer, click on the quality and select fine. So this will improve the print quality. Now we can go back. We can also print a test page. Click on the toner and click on the test print and confirm yes. That is the test print. That's the complete setup of the printer using the home or office Wi-Fi network and your Brother Mobile Connect app. Overall, I can say this is a very good printer for home or office use. This is a laser printer, so it's heavy and it is little bit bigger in size, and once it starts printing, it really prints fast. You can also print color photos or black and white photos with it just on the normal paper. Thanks for watching.